You get your paper back, and the A you thought you would get is only a C minus. Your teacher writes, "Nice writing, but most of your information was incorrect." You wake up. It was only a dream, but you do have a paper due next week. How will you know if the sources you have chosen are reliable? In today's lesson, we will talk about how to figure out if your online source is reliable. The AASL standard that we will be using is number 4, Cultivate, where you will make meaning for yourself and others by collecting, organizing, and sharing resources for personal relevance. Today's topic will be locating and evaluating reliable sources. This lesson is geared toward grades 2 through 5, but can be tailored for any level. Today's objective: students will be able to locate and evaluate reliable sources online. Today's discussion question is, how can you tell if the web page you are using is a reliable source? To help, I have gathered some sources together for you to use. The first one, some search engines that are for students, like Kiddle, KidRex, KidInfo, and KidSearch. The next sources are some notes and YouTube videos that give further explanation on how to decide if every source is reliable. But my favorite is the vocabulary video where we can jam as we learn. You will find all the sources in a folder titled Padlet Project 2. Again, at the end of this lesson, you should be able to tell if your online source is reliable or not. Happy searching!